everybody, and welcome back. I am playing FNAF Vent Repair from Sister Location. Lovely, right? So, I'm in a ninja outfit, and guess what? I played this before, I will admit, alright? I played this before. But here's the thing. It didn't work before. I played it with a friend, and I think we broke it because we hit so many buttons. So we're gonna try it again. And I'm gonna get scared. Let's do this. Ah, crap. In this, or something. I don't...
Welcome to Vent Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system. Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vent technician, you should need no instruction. However, in case of an emergency, it is important to remember that as the vent technician, you should never, under any circumstances, attempt to...
Do what? Do what? Oh, mother. Please stop. Oh my gosh!
Here and always
Shut up.
watching.
Shut up.
The one
Shut up,
who
man.
can
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stop. Stop. No. Oh my gosh. Please. Oh my gosh. Stop. 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 What headlamp? Oh, I found my headlamp. Oh my gosh. Okay.
afraid. Soon you will look just like me.
Shut up.
Beautiful.
You're not beautiful. I hate to tell you. Okay, blue, red, green, pink. Where?
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job. See you next time.
Actually, I did it. This was a short video, but I did it. And I got scared like 2 times. It's fine. No, stop. Okay. I got scared like 2 times. It doesn't matter, right? I did it, though. I did it. I mean, look at that perfect score. Like, look at that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Anyways, stay pretty, stay positive, and I'll see you later.